Look at this spectacular sausage. Jalapeno and cheddar stuffed, smoked and cured. Guys, this hit all the marks. Just listen to this snap. Everything about this recipe was simple and delicious, and I can't wait to walk you through absolutely everything. You know what's up. It's your boy Saucy Rossi, the Canadian king of backyard barbecue. I'm using a jalapeno, a Cracker Barrel medium cheddar block of cheese, and some garden herb seasoning by Maritime Madness. And we're going to go ahead and make a slurry today using curing salt, the Maritime Madness seasoning, and kosher salt. Now, I'm going to give you these measurements specifically for a kilogram of pork, okay? So that's really important here. The measurements I'm about to list off are for 1 kilogram of pork. We're going to be adding 2.5 grams of curing salt, 25 to 30 grams of Maritime Madness garden herb seasoning. It has 11% sodium, so I actually go closer to 25 grams. And then 8 to 10 grams of kosher salt. And in this, I went closer to 8. We're going to mix that with a little bit of ice water, about 50 milliliters or so. And once you have that as a little slurry, you can pour it all over your shredded pork or your grinded pork. You know what I'm talking about. Anyway, I got these natural hog casings, threw them onto my meat stuffer, and as you can see, we're piping out some delicious sausages. Now, the goal here, guys, is we're going to pipe out these sausages and prep them, but then we're going to let them cure in the refrigerator overnight. And as you can see here, I've got a delicious pile of jalapeno cheddar sausages ready to go. Seriously, let's throw these in the refrigerator for at least 12 hours. It's going to help them bloom. It's really going to, tighten up that skin and dry out the intestine that we're using here. It's going to get perfect to go out on the offset smoker. Now, today, we are not doing our normal cook. We are running our offset smoker low, like at 150 degrees. And this is going to be smoked for about 5 or 6 hours. And every hour or so, we're going to notch the temperature of our smoker up. So we'll start at 150, then 160, then 170, 180, 190, 200. After 200, you want to bump it up to 225 and then finish off those sausages to an internal temperature of 165 degrees. Oh, buddy, that right there is going to get you some fantastic results. I mean, just look at these sausages. They're getting that delicious red mahogany color that we all love to see in barbecue. And man, oh man, am I ever revved up. Seriously, guys, this one is wicked. And these are so flavorful. Now, today I'm using sugar maple for the smoke flavor. And that's going to impart just a wonderful flavor profile within the sausages. You can use maple, you could use oak, you could use applewood. The list goes on. But personally, I think the lighter woods are a great place to start. And these sausages just hit an internal temperature of 155 degrees. So I'm going to pull them off and I'm going to throw them right into an ice bath. You can see here, it's just a big pot of water. And then I top it with a bunch of ice cubes, mix it around, and I leave those sausages in there for at least 20 minutes. We want to make sure we're stopping all that internal cooking. It's really important, and it's going to go a long way. Now, as you can see here, I laid out the sausages on a wire rack and dried them off. And once they were completely air dried, which took about, 2+ hours, they bloomed and just looked beautiful. And guys, at this point, you're just ready to devour these. You can see the little pieces of jalapeno and cheddar inside the sausage. Oh, bud, those little clumps of fat all throughout. Man, oh man, this one was seriously spectacular. I mean, I threw one of these right into the air fryer at 350 degrees for 5 minutes, and it came out beautiful. I mean, doesn't this just look gorgeous? Oh, dude, this is exactly what I wanted to see. Let's check that snap out again. Oh, yeah, there's the first snap. And there's that glorious second snap, revealing that unbelievably juicy and delicious ooey gooey sausage. Guys, this one's a 10 out of 10. I mean, you can see in there, we got little pieces of jalapeno. It's nice and juicy. Like, seriously, spectacular. This one is badass. If you like sausages and barbecue, guys, you gotta make sure you like and subscribe. Like I've been saying, my name's Saucy Rossi. I'm the Canadian king of backyard barbecue. I'm always out here just exploring everything to do with barbecues. If you want me to check something specific out, leave a comment below. And again, just like and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. It will be 100% worth it. I mean, look how delicious this little bit of cheesy goodness looks. Seriously spectacular, guys. It means so much to me that you're here watching my recipe videos. Thank you again. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Until next time, stay safe.